Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Let's get to the exponentiation exercise. Alright, what's the rule? For powers with the same base, you keep the base and add the exponents. So it'll be 3, which is the base, for plus negative 2, for minus 2, that's 2. 3 squared is equal to 9. So, the answer for letter A is 9. Letter B. What's the rule? Power of a power. We just multiply the exponents, so it's 5 to the power of negative 3 times 6, which equals 5 to the power of negative 18. That's the answer in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and see you in the next video.